Good morning, folks. Today we're going to be showing you the brand new and improved 2015 Johnson 360 tree stand. Now today I'm going to show you the assembly of the stand straight from the box, and then we're going to go out to the field and I'm going to show you how easy it is to hang in your favorite hunting spot. In order to make the assembly as easy as possible, I have grabbed a few tools. We have a drill with a 9/16 and a 7/16 socket, a pair of pliers, and a pair of kitchen shears today, or tin snips, something like that, to remove the plastic straps that are used to package the stand. So we're going to jump right into this and show you how it goes. Unlike some of your standard box store stands, the Johnson 360 is going to go together in a snap. Now in order to show you this, I'm going to start the stopwatch here. It's going to go the whole time. We may do a little bit of time lapse for some of the activities, but the clock won't stop. So you'll see that go, and when we're done, we'll show you exactly how long it takes to assemble. So here we go. I'm going to start this off. Starting right there, we're good to go. I'm going to set this down, and we're going to tear into the stand and get going. So first of all, the box comes packed very well. It's sealed with staples, and pull it down to one side, just get your tools out of the way. So when you get this, you'll see the box is sealed up with some heavy duty industrial staples. After that, you'll flip it open, get your stuff out of the way, and start pulling out the pieces. You'll see they package it very, very nicely. Everything comes together. All your pieces for the stand are right there in one easy piece to work with. Take it all out here. Pull your box out of the way. And we'll start working with the pieces we have. Alright, so the first thing first, we gotta get all these straps cut off of here and get it ready to work with. Alright, now you can see we have the stand cut apart here. All the pieces are free to work with. And you're going to see your seat bracket. You're going to see your seat back. You're going to see your base to the tree stand, the mounting bracket plate, and then the mounting bracket itself right here, which is the heart of the tree stand. Now we have all of our pieces here able to work with. We're going to get the box opened up and pull the last few pieces out. Alright, inside the box here you'll see we have our seat cushion attached to our seat plate. We're going to have our ratchet straps here, which are going to allow us to attach our mounting bracket to the tree. We're going to have a small bag of bolts and clips here, which I'll show you how those all go here in a second. And then we're going to have our third arm, which is going to give you your vertical adjustment in the tree, closer or away from the trunk. Alright, first things first, we're going to open up our bag of bolts right here, and this goes super quick, very well designed. Everything has its place and goes together very easily. So I'm just going to pour these out here and lay these out so you can see them all. A few clips there, some pins, and then a few bolts there we're going to work with as well. We're going to start with our mounting bracket and our mounting bracket plate. The plate itself matches up with the circle plate on the back, sets down right on top, goes right in place there. As you can see, there's 4 holes here, which are going to give you your 45 degrees left and right adjustment. And then you have extra 3 bolts here. They're going to help you tighten that down once you get it exactly where you want it to go. So first things first, put all your nuts on here. Get them good to go. Little tech tip, don't screw these down too tight yet. You don't want to be fighting it in the tree later on. Leave yourself some room to work with. Take your 9/16 socket, put it on your drill, give it a good go. Get them tightened down a little bit. I'm going to loosen that one up just a little bit. Like I said, I don't want them too tight when I get out to the tree. Okay. there's that. The next piece of the assembly that I like to do is your third arm. Now your third arm gives you your adjustment either to or away from the tree about 15 degrees to make sure that when we're up there setting this, your platform goes completely level. As you're going to see, it comes with some heavy-duty industrial hooks. On your third arm, you'll see an oval-shaped opening on one end. Go ahead and hook in your first hook, just like that. Second hook goes in, same type of holes on the other side. Make sure your hooks are going the same way when you're done. So I want to go this way. Hook it in, flip it around. There's your two hooks. Now you'll see here, we have some pins. Now some of these pins are going to be used in other places. There's 3 skinny pins and 1 heavy duty pin. The heavy duty pin goes in your third arm for adjustment. Now these holes here are going to give you your minute adjustments in the tree to make sure your platform levels out. So that's all assembled. We'll come back to that here in just a minute. Right here is the safety plug that goes on the top of your mounting bracket, and it's going to act as a backup safety just in case something happened, you didn't get your bolts tightened down all the way. As long as you tighten those down, you shouldn't have any problems. This thing here, it may click into a hole on level, but it also may not. Again, that's a backup. Your main 5 bolts here are going to give you the strength to not move. That's just a backup device there for safety. The next piece is the seat assembly, which we're going to mount together here for you. Very easily, or very well designed. Square holes in the bracket, sit right down the square holes on the seat stand. And then the bolts that come with it, 3 bolts, simply drop down in the square holes, and they're going to give you basically a locking mechanism so they're not going to spin on you as you're putting your bolts on to attach your pole to your seat. Oop. So the bolts are in there. Flip it around, just like that. You'll have your 3 nuts that match up to it. Screw those on quick. Again, super easy. Have one here, stick it through. Just like that. Put your final nut on there. As you can see, super simple. I'm going to change out my socket to the 7/16 to tighten those down. Now we have our seat plate mounted to our pole, and the next part is going to be to put your seat rest on the back. Either stand it up, lay it down, whatever works best for you. You'll notice there's a longer bolt with 2 washers that go together. Put your washer on your bolt, just like that. Start it through the hole. Put your backrest in there. Put your bolt through there. Throw your other washer on. Put your final nut on there. Again, 7/16. Take your little driver and a pair of pliers. There we go. All right, now your seat's ready to go to the stand. Opens up, closes down, no problem. So now we have our seat assembly put together. Here we have the backrest on it. We're going to take the pliers again, put it on one side, do your driver on the other side. All right, so now that we have our seat together, we're going to put our seat cushions on it. Velcro on the bottom. Simply take your stand, stand it up, slide your seat cushion over it, pull it down into place here. Nice snug fit. And then you'll see on the back of the stand, there's also more Velcro that's going to go around and cover up your seat pole. All right. We have the top on, pull it down tight, goes right over, and then it Velcros right on the back, just like that. And then you're going to take your seat cushion, which is high density foam. It's going to allow for a super comfortable all day sit. You flip it over the back there, just like that. There's a little lip on the back side, you'll see, that the strap comes back behind and sits down on. And then again, just set her down. A couple pieces of Velcro here. Go through the holes on the back of the stand. Put it together, just like that. One more here. Just like that. All right, now your seat's ready to go to the field too. All right, so now we're down to the last few pins here. One of these pins is going to go into your seat base. Right here for adjustments, there's allowing for 5 inches of vertical adjustment. If you have youth hunters or kids, go all the way to the top, shorten that seat down. If you're taller, you want to have some more legroom up in the stand, go ahead and stick it on the bottom there, give you a really nice, comfortable sit. So I'll put that there for later. As you're going to see, all of the pins here are orange coated, which are excellent. They look nice, but the best part about them is if you happen to be hanging, you drop them on the ground, they're easy to find. Okay. So now we have our mounting bracket ready to go and done. The base, as you can see here, is already prefabricated, ready to go to the stand. But the ingenious of the stand comes down to the mounting bracket and the hooks themselves. So as you're going to see, there's 2 main hooks here, and these hooks simply go down on the back of the mounting bracket like this, and then they slide into place. So once you have it slid into place, your pins come back in, drop right down into the holes, give you a nice solid adjustment there, or connection. Put your other one in, good to go. Put your pin in, and now your base is ready to go to the field as well. Now this year, something that Johnson's did that is awesome is they moved this mounting bracket back just a little bit, or this mounting pole bracket if you will, back in the stand a little bit, which allows your mounting bracket and your platform to literally fold flat, which is going to allow you to backpack this stand into place without any problems. So you take that, fold it down just like I've done here, you have it folded up flat, you take your third arm, slide it on the back side here, hook it down, pull out your adjusting pin a little bit, get it to whatever length you want it, wherever it's comfortable, click it in there, tighten her down like that, stick your pin back in, attach it, that baby's ready to go to the field. So you take it like this, ready to go. Something else that's really nice about this now is that in your package with your harness, there's a couple straps that come with this. And these straps are the straps you're going to use your harness with on the tree. Now I'm just opening this package for the first time, so I have to get them pulled out here. But what's nice about them is they double for backpack straps. That's just a little tech tip. I like to do it to get them out there easily. They already come with the stand. You're ready to go. Nothing complex about this. However you want to do it that fits you comfortably. But basically, put your strap down through one of the holes in your base. Bring it down to the bottom. Bring it up around, just like you'd be attaching this to a tree. Feed it through one end, feed it back through the other end. Just like that. It'll pull tight, gives you one strap. Take the other one here just like that. Again, do the same thing on the other side. And again, you're just making backpack straps. So same row across in the holes. Take it across, run it down through, just like that. Run her down to wherever you want it to come through. Bring it back up. Again, same process. Go through. Run your strap back around. Just like that. So as you can see, we've taken the parts that are already with the stand. We made some really nice backpack straps for easy transport out of it. The last couple pieces here, we have 2 heavy-duty ratchet straps. Throw these in your backpack till you get out there. We're gonna be heading to the field here in just a second. We'll see you guys out there. But before we go, we're gonna look over here at our stopwatch. And as you're gonna see, never stop that. It's at 17:48 right now, and that's with filming. So we just showed it as it is. If you're just doing this yourself without running cameras or anything, literally 10, 11 minutes to put it together. Very well designed, easy to work with, and ultimately it's going to give you the most versatility of any tree stand on the market. So let's head out to the field and we'll see you out there, pick a good tree, and show you how easy it mounts.